If you're out driving in the snow, there's a risk you might get stranded, so that's why I put together this perfect car survival pack. What's happening, Panda Nation? Peter Von Panda here. I love survival. I love being prepared for the elements, for the unexpected. And one of the things that I was thinking about is that there were hundreds, thousands of people stranded on highways in cars in the middle of winter, freezing, starving, shaking, scared, and a little bit of prep in those cars would have gone a long, long way. So I thought, what is the smallest, simplest, cheapest little survival kit that I think is appropriate for the trunk of your car? So if you get a flat tire, get caught in heavy snow, get caught in an icy situation and can't get out, well, I think that you need just some basic stuff. So first of all, what I have here is a first aid kit. I found this. It is very inexpensive, and it's got a lot of little gear in here. Things like gauze, band-aids, those types of things. So that's going to be important to have. Next, if you're going to be there for 24, 48, 72 hours, you might get a little hungry. And while you can survive without food that long, something like this, these survival tabs here, are going to go a long way just to help keep your energy up, keep you going, keep the furnace burning. So I really love these. They taste like chocolate, and so they're really, really good. Now let's talk about water, and if you're actually caught in the snow, you have lots of water around you, but it's probably in snow form, and you don't want to eat that because it's really going to cool you off. First thing you're going to need are these. These are Canteen Bags, so they're a liter plus, and you unroll them. You can actually roll the top down so that you can store the water, but something like this, because they're really strong, you can fill them with snow, pack them with ice, bring them into your car, let them melt, and drink that water. This little pouch has 3 of these Canteen Bags in here. Maybe you have running water, maybe you're collecting rain, whatever. Something like this is going to allow you, one, to have that water treated, as well as take it with you if you need to bug out. So how do you treat it? Well, that's why I really love these. These are Aqua Tablets. They're little tiny tablets. They kind of look like little Sudafeds or something like that. But what you can do is you can pop out one of these tablets, throw it in your water bottle, let it dissolve, let it do its magic, and it's going to make that water safe to drink. It's going to make it potable. And this can go a long way because you don't need energy to treat that water. You don't need to light a fire, pump water through a filter or something like that. Now, if you do need to treat that water or fire, these waterproof matches, this little 4-pack of matches here, I think goes a long way. And if you're going to make a kit for a couple of cars, all you need to do is put one of these packs of matches in each of your cars. So you don't need to put all 4 in there. But what I like about this is that they are waterproof. You need to get a fire going. You can certainly do that. You need to treat water. You need to heat someone up. You've got these matches here, and they will work even if they are damp. So a little cheap insurance right here. And now, maybe the most underrated thing is this little pouch right here. Now, this one actually came in a 5-pack, so I'm going to link to that because this is an emergency Mylar blanket. I've actually tested this out. They work incredibly well. If you are in your car at night and it's cold outside, let me tell you, it is going to be very cold inside, and I have seen people give up on their car, give up on that ready-made shelter, and start hiking through the woods because they are so cold. This is something that might add 30 degrees to the ambient air around you. You know, if it's freezing, it might be 60 degrees wrapped up in an emergency sleeping blanket like this. It's much smaller, it's much more portable than having a big heavy blanket, and the nice thing about this is because they are like a sleeping bag, they really trap in that air. You're not going to lose a lot of that heat to circulation. So I love having this. If you have a 4-seater or 5-seater car, I would certainly recommend having one of these for each of the people in your car. Now, what are you going to carry all that in? Well, I found this. This is a little sling bag. There's nothing really special about it. It's one single strap. Looks like a seatbelt right here. But it's not that big. About the size of an iPad. Obviously, it scrunches down. But this is more than enough space to put all of that stuff, even some of the other things that you might be thinking of. You know, maybe you want to put an LED flashlight or something like that. I certainly would recommend it if you've got it. But what I like about this is it will expand up. You can put everything in there. It's not going to take up any space. You might even be able to slip this underneath the seat of your car. And the other thing I love about this is if you are going to bug out, you are going to hike somewhere, you can throw this over your shoulder so you've got all your gear with you and you've got both hands freed up to do other things. So this one was really cheap, under 10 bucks. So my point here is just a little bit of that stuff, especially if you have passengers with you, especially if kids with you. It's going to make it a lot more bearable to be able to eat something, to keep your stomach from growling, to drink something, keep yourself warm, keep yourself comfortable, and most importantly, keep yourself alive. So if you want to pick up any of this stuff, I'm not going to package it together and mark it up and sell it to you at a profit. I'm just going to put links to all of this stuff. Got it all on Amazon directly so that you can put this kit together yourself at cost. So if you want to pick up all this stuff or just some of the stuff, I'll put links to it in the description below. Peter Von Panda, out.
We can discover more and explore so much deeper. We can live better than ever thanks to Peter. Peter Von Panda. Peter Von Panda.
Out driving in the snow, then you need